gentlemen.
Welcome to Live on Cue, where we talk about people, places, events, and more. Know their stories and understand valuable insights from our selected guests. Listen and watch our live video podcast together with your QCast hosts. Live on Cue, only here on QCast. Meet Gian Bernardino, the vocalist of Cup of Joe. Cup of Joe's single, Tingin, featuring Janine Teñoso, was highlighted by Billboard Philippines as one of the top songs of 2023. Wednesday, February 26, 7 p.m. at Boss Gio Pares in Muntasa, Doha. Only here on QCast. And yes, we're coming to you live from Boss Gio Pares, Qatar. This is Live on Cue. Wow, we have a jam-packed Boss Gio Qatar tonight. Yes. Let's give a round of applause, everybody. Thank you so much for being here. PSD students, friends, and of course, family members of our special guest who flew all the way from the Philippines just to be with us tonight. And tomorrow morning, he's going to go back there again.
Yeah.
So, this is just a short stint. Yeah. Okay, by the way, for those watching online, my name is Francis. Together with me is my co-host, Chi, and of course, Ting of Ting Talk Show. To give us a little bit of introduction of our special guest for tonight, do the honors, Miss Chi.
Okay, thank you so much. So our guest for this evening is originally from Baguio.
Wow.
And discovered his voice at the young age of 3.
3 years old.
While living in Qatar, he participated in singing contests like PSD Singing Idol 2011, PSD Birit Bulilit, and he's a champion. And he also participated as a front act for Ann Curtis concert.
Nice.
And of course, he's the vocalist and composer of the Cup of Joe band.
Ladies and gentlemen, Gian Bernardino. Let's give a round of applause.
Hey, what's up, guys?
Yeah, you're finally here. I'm so happy.
Yeah,
dude.
grabe. Live audience pala to.
Yes. Actually, we do this on a weekly basis. We usually have like celebrities come over and we would have a chance to interview them. Last week we had like
Denise
Zamboanga, the one championship MMA fighter.
The first Filipina.
First Filipina. We're so happy you're here. How about you?
I'm good. Medyo malungkot ako. Napakabilis ng bakasyon ko. 9 days lang.
9 days? Oh, it feels... I think I saw you when you landed here first last week because the Kabayan team were actually covering your arrival. So nakita kita doon. Sabi ko, si Gian is back in Doha, finally. You know what? I have to share with you one story because I've been with the station since 2019 and umalis na ako. But still, we're good friends, just so you know.
Issue.
Bakit may gano'n? Barkada ata natin ko si Gian.
Hi, John. Hi, Cody.
Hi, guys.
Okay. But I first heard your track, Cinderella, back in 2020. And the person who introduced me to your song was actually Trish, who happens to be the same age of yours.
From PSD as well, right?
Yeah, from PSD as well. Sabi ko, ganda tong kantang to ah. And back then, I never thought na taga dito ka. Wala akong idea. And right now, you're back. Oh, siya pala yung vocalist ng Cup of Joe. So how does it feel to have like so much recognition from so many people who really loves you? Anong pakiramdam?
Well, first of all, hindi ko talaga in-expect. Lalo na makakuha pa rin ng support dito sa Qatar kasi everything started when I went home to the Philippines. Kaya very overwhelming every time na nakikita ko sa mga IG stories or sa mga posts na lagi pinapatugtog sa school yung songs ko. And then,
paborito ko talaga yun, Cinderella tsaka yung Tingin. How was it working with Miss Janine Teñoso? Kasi di ba, she's one of the most, I would say, top-rated artists in the Philippines. How was it working with her so far?
Nung na-pitch ng management yung collaboration namin with Miss Janine, sobrang hindi ako makapaniwala kasi when we were in senior high, yung parang meron kasing ginawang parang parang nung gagraduate na kami tapos parang may nag-compile ng mga videos ng batch namin.
I see.
Tapos yung parang madalas na gamitin ng bawat section yung kanta niyang Di Na Muli.
I like that song.
So that was way back 2018, 2019.
Okay.
So during that time talagang very staple name na Janine Teñoso. And then dumating yung 2023, ito na pinitch na ng management. Uy, gawa kayo ng collab ni Miss Janine.
I see.
So,
nice,
and then we
nice.
wrote a song together. Pero nung time na yun kasi students pa kaming lahat. So,
yeah.
we did everything over FaceTime.
It's amazing. That's how technology goes nowadays. Okay, let's take a step back muna. Okay, because I was wondering, while coming here to the venue, sabi ko, what does Cup of Joe anything to do with you as a band? Sino ba si Joe? Wala. Nobody is Joe in the band. Nobody. Okay, how did you come up with the name Cup of Joe?
Okay, before kami makarating sa decision na gamitin yung Cup of Joe, nagkaroon kami ng sobrang daming options.
I see.
So,
Cup of coffee.
Really? Actually, siya, parang part siya ng paghanap namin ng identity namin as a band. Kasi when we started, nagko-covers lang kami. And mostly, yung kino-cover namin mga rock songs.
I see.
So, like Western bands. So, we take inspiration from Coldplay, Codaline.
So, those are the bands you
Panic
look up to.
Disco. Yeah. Kaya yung mga unang names namin, gusto namin phrase.
Okay.
Naisip namin, seatbelts on. We're gonna take you for a ride. Mga ganong atake. Tapos, meron pa kaming naisip, the doctor is in.
Wow.
Kaso masyadong medical. Masyadong scientific yun. Tapos meron pa, the plane has landed.
Actually, those names are so witty, I would say. Medyo catchy siya. Okay, anyway.
So, parang wala pa kaming final name noon until nung nakasulat ako at si Rafa, yung co-vocalist ko.
So, you're the one composing the songs talaga?
Ngayon po, more on collaborative work na siya. Pero nung first days kasi, yung mga pinipitch kong kanta, mga nasulat ko na before pa magkaroon ng Cup of Joe. So, ayun, nung nakasulat na kami, parang hindi bagay sa mga naiisip naming band name yun. So, yung guitarist namin, si Gab, randomly lang niya naisip yung Cup of Joe. And parang bigla kami nag-resonate kasi Cup of Joe is a slang for a cup of coffee.
Yes.
And parang
you created over a cup of coffee. Parang gano'n.
Yeah, parang gano'n.
Nice.
Na parang every time na maglalabas kami ng kanta, parang gusto namin
may kape.
Pag-independent.
Ibang blend ng
gin. Hindi, pag
Mami,
andyan nga pala sila. Okay lang, busy sila mag-chismis.
Okay.
And tapos yun, parang pag pinapakinggan nyo yung music namin, gusto namin yung feeling nyo is parang umiinom kayo ng mainit na kape.
That's nice.
Actually, it resonates with the music that you created.
Yeah.
Okay. Guys, you have questions? Go ahead. Sige na. Go ahead.
Ikaw muna.
Chi.
Since, diba, nung bata ka, talagang na-imagine mo na yung sarili mo na magkaroon ng band?
Nung bata ako, hindi band, pero alam ko na gusto kong maging performer, maging musician.
I've seen your old videos when you were a kid.
Talaga?
You really, she sent me a lot. But I won't
PSD.
But I won't be showing it.
Okay. Buti na lang.
It's personal consumption.
Yeah,
No, because I was looking at your old videos. Talagang you can sing well.
Yes.
Nung bata ka pa.
Ano ba?
Diba?
Pinilig.
And then, okay, let's take a step back again. How did you form the band? Kasi diba, you're from Qatar and then the rest of the bandmates are from the Philippines. So, how was it? I mean, paano siya nabuo?
Ano ba?
Long story. To cut it short.
To cut it short, medyo mahaba pa rin. Pero kasi nung umuwi ako from Qatar, yun na. Nung first year ko doon, which is grade 11, 2017. Medyo naninibago pa ako sa environment.
Okay.
So, tapos kasi dahil nga iba yung culture na kalakihan ko, parang nagkaroon ng
Culture shock.
Culture shock, and at the same time I experienced siguro over a year of bullying din.
Talaga?
Wow, talaga?
Oo. Hi, shoutout sa bullies ko dyan.
Ano kayo ngayon? Ito na siya ngayon.
Ito na siya ngayon.
na nag-friend request sa akin. So,
stay there, guys.
Who you?
sorry, puno na eh. Parang nagka-time ng ganon. So, parang it affected my confidence nung time na yun. So, parang from that time, I didn't see myself performing sa stage again. And then, nung grade 12, nag-try ulit ako. Parang tumalon ulit ako sa bangin. Hindi literally.
Like, a leap of faith.
Yeah, parang, a leap of faith. Sumali ulit ako sa sa
Singing
clubs,
contest.
tsaka sa student council.
I
namin,
see.
ganito.
Wow,
So parang nakaka-feel pa rin ako ng mga, alam mo yun, mga ganong tao. Pero wala na, pinikitan ko na lang. Kasi
How did you
gusto ko
cope up
talaga
from
kumanta.
that? Kasi di ba pag bata, usually we are so sensitive. All of us,
Yes,
right?
that's
We were in that situation before.
Sobrang hirap. Tapos extra hirap pa kasi hindi ko kasama yung parents ko.
Yes, yes. I was actually about to ask you the
Yeah.
question kasi
So-
wala doon yung parents mo eh. So,
So, ang emotional support ko lang nun, yung sister ko, kasama ko siya.
yeah,
Pero,
kudos to your sister. Yeah, what's
hey,
the name of
sis.
your sister?
Hi, Ate Michelle.
Shout
Michelle,
out,
watching.
sister.
Good
Yeah.
job.
Yeah, kaming
You did
dalawa lang
great.
yung
She did
magkasama.
great.
Ayan.
Yeah.
I see.
Tapos, ayun, nung grade 12, doon ko na na-meet yung, pinakauna ko na-meet si Rafa, yung co-vocalist ko. Kasi parehas kaming sumali sa student council. Tapos, nung time na yon naging close friends na kami. We did everything together. Like,
see.
pagsasali siya dito sa sayawit na to, sali din ako.
Sasali ka
Sali siya sa cheer dance, sasali
Sali
din
din
ako.
ikaw.
Yeah. Tapos yun na,
Okay.
nung dumating yung August 2018, wow, naalala ko pa. Since part kami ng Glee Club, yung advisor namin, si Sir Nelwin, if you're watching.
Hi, sir.
Alam kong madaling araw na dyan, pero ayun. Gusto niyang kumanta kami, pero kami ni Rafa ayaw naming kumanta ng parang may -1 lang.
Okay.
Gusto namin live.
Live.
So, fortunately, meron siyang kilalang guitarist kasi nung grade 11 sila, meron silang finorm na band. Ang pangalan Pink Soda.
Okay.
Tapos parang silang dalawa yung parang na-retain sa group.
Sa
na
band.
yun.
I see.
Oo. Actually, naalala ko pa, napapanood ko pa sila noon, Battle of the Bands yun. Tapos ako, nag-iihaw ako doon. Kasi Students Day yun. Oo, literally. Kasi parang,
Okay.
alam niyo yung pag Students Day, tapos may mga bazaar.
Yes, yes.
So,
Yung mga
yun,
activities.
yun yung booth ng section namin. Tapos ako yung
see.
pinag-iihaw nila.
Ihawan.
Imagine nyo naman. Grabe talaga kayo sa
Sasabihin ako, eto na yung ihaw nyo.
Yes.
Pinag-ihaw nyo ngayon. Di ba? He's now on the mainstream. Oh, how does it feel, by the way? Because you have like 2 sold-out concerts on February 8 in Araneta Coliseum. It was really a big event.
Yeah.
And I was really amazed how the crowd reacts to your songs.
Yes.
Pag kumakanta kayo,
Yes.
sumasabay sila. Araneta Coliseum level na yun.
Oo.
Diba? Is it something that you envisioned the whole time you were playing as a band? Parang napag-uusapan nyo ba as bandmates?
Oo
Sana one
naman.
day makapag-concert tayo sa Araneta.
Oo naman.
Wow.
As in, I remember our first ever rehearsal dun
Yes.
sa function hall
Yes.
sa school namin. We were rehearsing our cover songs plus yung Nag-iisang Muli, which
Yes,
is our only
yes,
song during
yes.
that time. Tapos, we would joke na parang what's up, Araneta? Pero,
Manifesting.
yeah, manifesting. Pero parang kami-kami lang naman yung
Yes, yeah.
May tanong ako
Tapos
when
ayun.
regards to songwriting. Ano yung nakakapag-push sa'yo or
Inspire.
nakakapag-inspire sa'yo when you're writing songs?
Ako naman, siguro yung nagiging approach ko when it comes to songwriting, it's about being as straightforward and as honest as possible. And ang favorite element na hinahalo ko, na paborito kong ginagamit sa songwriting is imagery. Yun yung una sa mga unang ginamit namin sa mga first songs namin. So, Nag-iisang Muli, parang a little fun fact. Yung first song namin, kaming dalawa ni Rafa, nakatambay kami sa school nito. And then, after dismissal, so it's around 5 to 6 p.m. Sundown na. And then, he was playing with the guitar. Tapos, parang yun na nagka-random idea kami na, sulat naman tayo ng kanta, ganito, ganyan, so, ganyan. Tapos, naghahanap siya ng chord, tapos may na-strum siyang chord. Tapos, nakatitig lang kami sa scenery ng school. Sabi niya, kay lamig ng simoy ng hangin. Tapos yun,
I'm so happy I'm recording everything tonight.
tapos nag-click na nung time na yun na parang, shems. Wow. Nag-censored. Nahabol. Shucks. Parang
Actually,
pwede Tapos
ginawa na ko
tinuloy-tuloy
lang.
namin. And then yun, parang mostly inspirations namin, imagery, na kinoconnect namin sa emotions namin.
Nice.
Di ba kanina yung about sa ihawan, baka gusto mong sulatan yung ihaw.
Pwede.
Nag-iisang
Pwede.
ihaw.
Nag-iisang ikaw. Nag-iisang
Nag-iisang
iyaw.
ihaw.
Okay. How do you assess or how do you reflect in your career as a musician? Mula nung nag-start ka tapos ngayon. How do you see it now?
Ayun, on the top of my mind, nung nag-start ako as a musician, I really wanted to please everybody.
Okay.
Which didn't work for me, lalo na nung I encountered that experience nung grade 11 ako. Kasi doon ko talaga na-realize na you really can't please everybody.
That's true.
And as hurtful as that sounds, it's actually a blessing in disguise kasi if you become very authentic or transparent sa craft mo and sa sarili mo, it's where you see your safe space. Kumbaga, okay, let those who want to leave go.
Yes.
Pero makikita mo dyan yung mga taong willing magstay dyan from the start until pag naging successful ka. So,
yes.
if there's an advice na masasabi ko sa younger self ko na gustong magka-name sa industry, it's just being yourself and don't be afraid to go against the current or sa kung ano yung nakikita mong standards sa industry kasi doon ka mas mamahalin ng tao.
You know what? I have to ask you that question kasi yung style of music that you guys actually sing and even your band alone, you have a different kind of feel.
Sound. Yeah.
Parang P-pop ba tawag doon? It's like a combination of K-pop and people. Diba? Even your outfits, your makeups and so on. Parang kayo pa lang yung gumawa nun. I mean, there's also another one, which is SB19, I guess. They're doing that as well. Pero as a band, they were the first in the Philippines. Sino yung nag-isip ng idea na yun?
Feeling ko ako. Hindi, pero nag-start siya nung it was after pandemic and then yun kasi yung time na parang matagal kaming natenga. Kasi parang very isolated kami sa isa't isa.
I see.
Nahirapan kaming gumawa ng gusto namin. And then 2021, yung approaching the new normal. We had this idea, we had this plan to rebrand.
Okay.
So parang we started working on this EP entitled Patutunguhan. And most of our hit songs are here. Yung songs namin dito, Tingin, Mananatili, Estranghero, Patutunguhan, Wag na Lang, and Tataya. So
which one is your favorite song sa band niyo?
Wag na sa band namin, All in All.
Yeah.
Right now, it's part siya ng new album namin eh. Pero if talking about dito sa EP na to, ano kasi siya, yung concept namin dito, it's old school OPM na parang combined sa parang may modern take. So parang ang pinaka-inspiration sa amin dito, Apo Hiking Society, na may pagka Four of Spades, na may pagka-Queen.
Yeah. Four of Spades.
Parang
really.
ganun.
You heard Barbara, di ba? Yung pagka-retro.
So, parang doon. Tapos parang so parang nag-start kami sa disco concept. Tapos parang we wanted to look maximalist.
I see.
Kumbaga, parang we want to be very expressive, ganito, and we want to be...
Parang nag-explode yung...
Yeah, we want to explore things outside of the box na parang actually very risky siya kasi parang alam mo yun, medyo
it is.
Natakot din kami kasi hindi namin alam yung magiging reception once na makita sila ng isang OPM musical band na very loud man namin. Tapos nagme-make
it's not loud, it's expressive, I would say. It's an expressive outfit.
Yeah, and I think it's more of breaking stereotypes, which made us resonate with the mass. Lalo na yung mga kabataan.
Good thing you're not afraid to break the barriers, diba? Kasi some people would be like, they don't want to take risk. It's a good thing that you guys did it because you won't be here in your status right now if you didn't take the first, step in doing it.
There's an artist na nag-inspire sa akin gumawa niyan. It's Miss Casey Dandingan.
Oh, okay. Now it makes sense.
Yeah.
All right. Okay. Anyway, I'll be opening the question for the crowd that we have here tonight, okay? Because Gian only have few moments with us. So, sino po yung gusto magtanong? Anybody who wants to ask questions, come here.
Magtanong na kayo.
Sige na.
iihawi na.
Come here. Sige na, June.
June, come
This is
on.
your former schoolmate. Dito ka. Para makita ka sa camera.
Nag-introduce sa akin
Yes.
ng Cup of Joe.
Oh, really?
Yes, when we were
Come here.
practicing in our band before.
Yun.
Dito ka.
May band si Tin and
Dito ka sa likod para makita ka naman sa may 5-minute exposure ka sa camera.
Ay,
Yuko ka ng konti.
Jun.
Ian or Edgar?
Yuko ka konti.
Oo nga pa.
Ang tanong mo, upo ka. Sige.
Ayan. And then, hello Gian.
Hi, Kuya.
I hope you remember me, Junjun.
Kuya Jun.
Remember me. Okay, go.
We were schoolmates kasi before.
Gitarista ka, di ba?
Yes.
I know,
Actually-
kasi nung officer ako, sumasali to sa Battle of the Band.
Diba? Naalala ka.
Hello
Yes.
po. Anyways.
Sige,
Yeah,
ang tanong mo.
so, actually right now, we're under a talent. Kami ni Ate Chi. We're under SGE events. And yeah, mga nagpe-perform rin kami. So anyway, question for me would be, what would be your message to aspiring musicians or aspiring artists, especially in the younger generation who's really striving to, to really
Make it to the big screen.
Yes.
Diba?
Kasi lahat
Yeah.
sila parang ang gusto nila is the bigger stage already.
Yes.
Pero as far as I know, you also have your fair share of tawag doon?
Struggles.
Your
Yes.
humble beginnings.
Yes.
So what would be your
Advice.
your advice for aspiring artists?
Well,
Like you.
No.
Go ahead.
Sobrang crucial nung pag-build ng foundation ng career na gusto mong tahakin. Pero for me, yun nga yung tulad ng sinabi ko kanina, you should be making your art, you should be making your craft out of passion and not just to, do it for others. Kasi maraming nagsusulat ng kanta na gumagawa sila ng kanta na sa tingin nila magva-viral. Parang ganong mindset.
Yeah.
Pero I think songwriting should really be about being as authentic as possible kasi in that way mas magiging relatable kayo sa masa and doon ka nila mas tatangkilikin. And ayun, I think as much as possible, wag kang matatakot maging kakaiba.
Huwag ka daw matakot maging kakaiba, June.
Be creative.
Yes,
Yeah,
another
yeah.
follow-up question. Go ahead.
Magpa-long hair ka
You
na.
should
Jun.
always
Ayan, sige.
think
Another
outside
question.
the box. So,
Kasi we've seen how vocal you are when it comes to stage. Like, you portray yung political stand mo, which we really appreciate.
It's so timely, by the way.
Yeah. I mean,
Okay. Go ahead.
I mean, what's like the thought process of having to express that kind of things?
Yeah.
actually, medyo
Baka. Go ahead.
medyo risky din yung gano'n eh.
Yes.
Pero as brothers then, like me and my band,
Yes.
ever since nung nag-start kami, we always wanted to be we always wanted to use our platform for the good.
For the better.
So,
Yes.
every time na we speak sa stage, we want them to see themselves sa amin na we hear you, we understand you, and we're here to amplify your voices. Not just in the music scene, but also here in our society. Wow, daming tao. Ito na ba yung sambayan ng Pilipino?
Nasa Araneta ka, hindi mo.
All right. Thank you so much, June, for the
Thank
question.
you.
Anybody
Thank you.
else who would like to ask? Come on, this
Come
is
on,
your moment.
guys.
Anybody? Sige.
questions
Wala nang tatanong.
Sige,
Okay.
ako naman
Go ahead.
magtatanong. Ayan. So, alam natin na napaka-busy mo na ngayon since may band and you've been to Araneta, ganyan. Gusto ko malaman, what does an ordinary day naman look like to you? Like, how you manage your personal life?
Naghuhugas ba to ng
Ganito.
plato?
Yeah, ganun.
Ganito lang. podcast. Ordinary day. Well, sa ngayon kasi, talagang full-time musician ako.
Okay.
So, if walang ganap, ang number one na ginagawa ko, magpahinga.
Bang.
Wow, hindi. Marami magko-comment na hindi yan totoo kasi lagi akong may pinupuntahan. Kita nila sa story ko. Hindi, for me, very thankful ako if meron kaming at least 1 to 3 days na pahinga. Kasi parang nakakaiwas burnout din.
Yes.
Yeah,
What do you
true.
do kapag nagpapahinga ka?
Alam niyo
Like,
na.
bukod sa tulog. Tulog lang talaga.
Ako, medyo ako outdoorsy ako.
Oh, that's
So,
nice.
if talagang sipagin ako and parang ayoko lang talaga magstay sa bahay, it's either tumatakbo ako, or nag-hiking ako, or
Saan ka nag-hike?
pinaka-recent na hikes ko sa Mount Ulap tsaka Mount Pulag.
Ayan, abang-abang na
Kalap sa BGC. Bundok yun eh.
tsaka sa Baguio. Laging hiking
Sa
doon
Baguio,
everyday.
yeah.
Pero ayun, gusto ko mag-hiking sa ibang parts naman ng Pilipinas. So, Mindanao, ganito.
Yeah. Good try.
Tapos, shopping, gano'n.
Yan.
Because you've got the money right now to do that, right?
ROI nila naman agad.
Hey, shout out sa ating 200 plus viewers
Uy,
on
wow.
Facebook Live.
Ang
There's a
daming
lot of people
nagpupuyat,
sending
Yeah.
their warm regards. Di ko na po mauubos to kasi sobrang bibilis ng comments nyo sa aming Facebook page. Anyway, I hope you can find a time to go back to these comments as
Okay.
well.
Yes.
Ang dami nila eh.
Silip na ako.
Silipin mo muna.
Shoutout
Okay.
din natin si Trixie.
Ay, Trixie, yeah.
One of our hosts
One of our
here.
co-hosts here. Okay, I have a question as well. How do you plan to see the band like going international in a couple of years? Kasi right now,
Yeah.
the local scene, you're already trying to invade it, di ba? You're known already in the music industry in the Philippines. So, next level tayo. Do you plan to expand in Southeast Asia first and then probably US and Europe? Ganun ba?
Definitely.
May ganun kayong pipeline?
Yeah, actually,
Wow.
medyo nagte-test kami ng waters. Kasi if you listen...
Pacific or Atlantic?
kanal lang. Imbo-imbornal lang din kami.
But it's actually a good one, right?
Diba?
You'll never know what the future holds, sabi nga.
Yeah. Meron kaming isang song sa album
Yeah.
na nilagyan namin ng English lyrics.
Okay.
Which is the
That's actually
first.
good. Yeah.
Which is the first for us. And marami namang natuwa. And I think sobrang hindi malabong mangyari na in the nearest future makabuo kami ng project na pure English.
I know, Gara, one day they'll be doing like world tour na.
Yeah. Actually,
Nice.
mag-international stops na kami for our Silakbo.
Oh!
This
Don't forget
April,
Qatar,
Sana
please.
Qatar.
Yeah.
ngayong April to May, we're going to US and Canada.
Nice.
Yeah.
How about Qatar? Since
Qatar.
you're from here, di ba?
Yeah.
Hopefully you can do the project also.
Sabihan niyo po yung friends niyo sa
sige.
Kabayan Radio.
Actually, meron kaming events company. We'll work on it.
Yun.
All right, sige. It's so exciting to know that you'll be having this future plans. And we hope to see you more often here in Doha. Do we have the time, by the way? Well, I want to see the queue first because you have other appointment after this. Tama ba? Meron ba?
Ano po ba yan?
I have no idea. Okay, anyway, we'll take a quick break and we'll get back with more of Gian Bernardino right here on Live on Q. You guys, stay where you are.
Take a break. We'll be right back.
After 9 years, the 7th All-Filipino Club Basketball Championship will once again be witnessed by basketball enthusiasts from the Gulf region. The OFW 7th GCC All-Filipino Club Championship 2025. OFW 7th GCC All Filipino Club Championship 2025 Men's Division Open League Overseas Filipino Residents in the GCC March 21 to 22, 2025 in Doha, Qatar. See you there. Meet Gian Bernardino, the vocalist of Cup of Joe. Cup of Joe's single, Tingin, featuring Janine Teñoso, was highlighted by Billboard Philippines as one of the top songs of 2023. Wednesday, February 26, 7 p.m. at Boss Gio Pares in Muntasa, Doha. Only here on QCast. This special Live on Q video podcast is brought to you by Boss Gio Pares Qatar, located in Al Muntaza, behind Muntaza Raudat, Al Khalil Park. For details, contact 6644-6690. You can also check out Talabat for delivery.
Welcome back to Live on Q.
Hey, back here in Live on Q. 8:07 in the evening is our time. And still we have lots of guests inside. Boss Gio Pares, maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat.
Thank you, guys.
I want to take this opportunity as well to thank the PTA of PSD, headed by Ma'am Joy. Ma'am, thank you po for bringing Gian here. To your parents as well who are here. And your friends and supporters and fans. Wow, there's just a lot of it's pure love that you're getting here in Doha, Qatar. Ever since you got here, how does it feel to have so much blessings and so much love from this country, from your own people? I would say, di ba? Anong pakiramdam?
Siyempre, sobrang heartwarming po. Kasi parang itong community na to, they've been here for me ever since I was a kid. Yeah. Very thankful ako kasi hindi nawala yung support. No? Yeah, yung mga teachers ko po dyan sa PSD. Kung andyan pa kayo or wala na. I mean, sa school
Linawin mo daw eh.
I mean, kung working pa kayo sa school or hindi na, naalala ko kayong lahat. Yeah.
So, you're such a kind-hearted person. You know what? I wish you all the luck in life, and then nakikita ko na parang mas madami pang ma-achieve na great things will come your way to you as a person as well, and to your bandmates, your band as a whole. Sana talaga mag-prosper itong US tour nyo, and hopefully magka-tar din kayo. Middle East,
yeah,
malaki-laki din yung Middle East eh. You have to conquer this area as well. Okay, one more question before we close this podcast. Maybe you have other? Sige, go ahead. Ikaw muna.
Sige, meron pa ako. Ito, curious lang ako. Kung hindi ka musician ngayon, which is sabi mo nga talaga, yun ang gusto mo ng bata ka pa. Ano si Gian Bernardino?
Feeling ko po maaga kong pinurso ang filmmaking.
Wow!
Yeah, I wanna be a filmmaker. And actually, tinatry ko siya kasi I've co-directed one of our music videos.
I see. Which one?
Estranjero.
Panonoorin ko yan.
Yeah, and gumagawa rin ako ng storyboards ng ibang music videos. Kaya,
So
andun pa rin siya.
Yun, no? Malay mo pwede mo pagsabayan.
You have to pursue it as well. Kasi diba, ang pagbabanda naman, it's not a lifetime, thing to do. So maybe you could also have other things on the side.
Yes.
Some things that you are good at. Maybe you can try improving it as well. May nag-comment dito, sabi, gilingan mo ako.
Sa stage lang.
Also, I've seen the video as well. Yung kanta nila, yung Cinderella, talagang gumigiling kayo.
Yan yung gusto nyo eh.
Oh my God. Okay. Taking out Gian Bernardino from the band as a person at home, ano ka?
Sobrang bait. Wow. Hindi man lang hinintay na sabihin ng magulang ko. Busy naman sila, so walang magdedebunk. Sobrang bait ko po. Wow. So like, parang paggising namin, nagli-lead ako ng opening prayer. Bakit? May program sa bahay.
Akala ko nagdo-doxology ka pa.
Malapit ako maniwala eh.
Kaya, nakaganon pa man din ako.
Ano ba?
How simple are you at home? I think that's a good question. How simple are you at home?
Ano ba? Ano lang?
Do you do your own bed? Like when you wake up in the morning? Oh, really? Okay.
Ako rin gumagawa ng sarili kong kalat. Pero naglilinis pa rin naman ako. Medyo busy lang.
I think with your life in the Philippines, having to live only with your sister, you get to do your own chores, diba?
Yeah, pero right now, I'm living with the boys.
I see.
Yeah, we're living in one...
So it's a messy situation.
Yeah, lalo sa akin, mag-isa ko sa kwarto.
Nag-opening prayer ka pa rin doon.
Yes. Pero in that case, kami, doxology.
Kakantahin.
Yes, full band.
You're such a cool person to be with. Maraming salamat sa iyo for being here with us on Live on Q.
Thank you.
We really appreciate it. And I know this is just a short stint, short moment to be with us. And thank you sa pagpapa-unlock mo sa amin dito sa Live on Q. I hope once you get back here, you will have another podcast with us as well.
Yeah,
okay?
Hopefully kasama ko na yung 4.
Yeah! We'll do it, di ba? Di ba ang saya nito, di ba?
Yeah, masaya.
Okay. Anybody else you want to say hi to?
Ayun, I just want to say thank you to the PTA BOD of PSD.
Yes,
headed
kudos
by
to you
Dr.
guys.
Thank you po.
And Ate Vince Tolentino. Yes, thank you so much for inviting us. Actually,
your
invite ko
parents.
yung sarili. Invite ko yung QCAS talaga.
Yes.
Sabi ganun. And all the parents and lahat ng mga students sa PSD. And ano ba, Sky Gonzalez of SG Entertainment and Events, Cal Gonzalez, Katrina Flores. Yes.
Yan. How about you, Ting? Chi, sorry. Chi.
Totoo.
Go on.
Hi to everyone. Kay Trixie. Sorry
Yes.
At parang overtime ata siya tonight.
Yeah.
She's one of our hosts here in QCast.
Yeah.
Tanghalang
She was so
Overseas
excited to be with
Pinoy.
you, but unfortunately she can't make it. Yeah.
Tanghalang Overseas Pinoy, Topi, the core team. Sino pa ba? Mama and Dad sa US, hello. I think they're watching.
Hello
And
po.
Hello po.
Who else? Sa lahat po na nakalimutan ko, hello po sa inyo.
How about you, GM?
Ayun po, hello po sa parents ko na
Hello,
nakikipag-chismisan ngayon. Hey, Mom.
So busy.
Hi pa, ayan. At saka po sa lahat ng PSDians dyan. Ayan, SSG.
To all the students here tonight,
Yeah,
maraming
Daling.
salamat. I know you still have classes tomorrow, right? Wow.
Meron.
Talaga
Okay lang
naman.
yan, Thursday na bukas.
Yeah.
Okay lang yan.
Okay lang umabsent. Nandito yung mga teachers yun. Hindi, wag. Stay in school, okay? Stay in school. School is always school. And once say hi to Miss Kim of TFC. Good evening to you. Yes. Thank you for being here.
you
Okay.
po.
And also wanted to say hi and thank you to the PTA of PSD, to SG Events, Sky, Tinbo, and also to Boss Gio Pares for giving us the venue tonight. Kuya
Thank you
Giovanni,
po.
if you're watching, thank you so
Alan,
much
yes.
for sharing us the venue. Kay Sir Alan tuloy. Kay Sir Alan, thank you. And to all our followers.
Yeah, sa lahat
and
ng
to all the
Joas dyan.
viewers.
Hi, guys.
Yes.
Yun. Anong
I miss
tawag?
you. Joe, as in cup of Joe.
Joan.
Was.
Oh,
Jowa.
Okay. Parang Joan.
Yes.
Nice.
Joas.
Joan.
Can you say hi to Hazel?
Hi, Hazel.
One more thing, can you say hi to Faye?
Hi, Faye.
Ay,
Kung sino man kayo. Sino po ba sila?
tayo yung kinilig. Sino ba yan? Sila yung nagbayad
Oh my
sa amin
God.
para sa hayo.
Okay.
Maybe on camera you can also say hi to this person kasi nag-message pa to. Sarah Iona Gamilo. Yeah.
Ay.
Say hi to Sarah Iona.
Grabe. Hi, Sarah Iona Gamilo. What's up?
Okay. Good evening to you. Thank you for watching. All right. So with that, thank you so much for being here again, Gian.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
We wish you the best of luck.
Yes.
And have a safe flight heading back to the Philippines. Okay? We'll see you again next time.
Yes, see you
This has
soon.
been Francis.
This is Chi.
And Ting of Ting Talk Show.
And of course,
And this has been Gian. Wow.
bye guys. Thank you for joining live. You see you
Thank you,
next
guys.
time.
Love you, love you.
Love you. Bye.
Daming love you.
Oops! Teka, nakita niyo yun? Wow! Heto na, ang Big 4 ng Maharlika Park Restaurant. Big 4 by Maharlika Park Restaurant. Isang napakalaking box na siksik ng ulam. Select 4 dishes from any of the following: Pansit Palabok, Chicken Sisig, Lumpiang Shanghai, Maharlika Fried Chicken, and Chicken Barbecue. for only 399 Qatari Riyals. At eto pa, the first 50 orders will receive a free box of Maharlika Fried Chicken. Big 4 by Maharlika Park Restaurant. Small gatherings ba? Parties? Or simpleng kainan? Sagot na ng Big 4 yan. This promo is only available for takeout and delivery. Contact us at 4468-0823 and 7795-5380 and visit our store at the Center, Muntasa, Doha. Big 4 by Maharlika Park Restaurant.
Uy, uwi na. Oo, sige. Kailangan ko lang ito tapusin. Bye-bye.
Yes, ma. Opo, ito, pauwi na. Sige na, ma. Tulog ka na dyan. I love you.
Someone else to go, please. Excuse me. Isa lang po yung in-order ko. Ay, sorry. Ikaw ba'y nakaupo dito?
Ay, hindi. Okay lang. Pwede naman na share.
Sure ka? Teka! Parang kilala kita.